Hey guys, it's Jen. It is Wednesday, May 28th, 2019, here in Northeast Pennsylvania, Carbon County. We had another storm coming through here and just had some massive hail. I had to shut my window. I heard all this loud banging and boom, boom, boom. So there was large hail. I got a flood warning and also a tornado watch. So luckily it's not a warning, it's just a watch for right now. There is a difference. That means just to be out on the lookout. A warning is when one has been spotted. So strange cloud coverage there. Yeah, it's like complete dark and complete light. Really weird. And over this way, there's a big dark mass there. So here's some sky footage. Rain is letting up for just a moment, but I did check the radar and we had a big system coming in from the west. So it was heading in toward from the like Ohio area. Sorry, I'm not a camera woman, doing the best I can. So yeah, clouds are moving from the west. There goes some